the Japanese particle to can express accompaniment, often translated in English using the preposition with. Let's have a look at some examples. おじいちゃんはサタンとカフェでコーヒーを飲んだ。おじいちゃんはサタンとカフェでコーヒーを飲んだ。Grandpa had coffee at a cafe with Satan. In this sentence, the particle to indicates that the subject, おじいちゃん, is accompanied by Satan. This meaning of to can be made explicit by using the phrase と一緒に. For example, おばあちゃんは死神と一緒に天国を滅ぼした。おばあちゃんは死神と一緒に天国を滅ぼした。Grandma, together with a death god, destroyed heaven. Using this phrase instead of using only to can sometimes help avoid ambiguities. These ambiguities stem from the fact that to can also function as a conjunctive particle, analogous to the English and, as explained in episode 1. For instance, the sentence おばあちゃんは死神と天国を滅ぼした。おばあちゃんは死神と天国を滅ぼした。is ambiguous as to whether 死神と is meant to be linked with the subject, grandma, or with the object, heaven. That is, we don't know whether both Shinigami and grandma destroyed heaven, or whether grandma single-handedly destroyed both Shinigami and heaven. This is the end of today's episode. See you next time.